What's the speaker to remove him? But he is not yet acted.
So he will only continue as opposition leader of Congress?
I said that until that you have to ask the party, don't ask me.
No, but as a senior leader of Congress.
I am not any leader. I am right now talking to you as Aleixo Sequeira. No, I am no leader in Congress.
Okay, as Aleixo Sequeira, how do you see of this situation till Congress is not able to?
I believe the party is seized of the matter. Until you are removed, where is the question of appointing another person? Who removes? The speaker. The party has gone to the speaker and said that we desired that he be removed. The speaker has said that he will decide on all these issues after the assembly session. At least that is what I read on the newspapers. So we'll wait and watch what the speaker does.
The Congress strong now. Lead opposition leaders.
Who told you Congress is not strong? You are saying.
No, I'm just asking.
I'm also telling you.
Sir.
In short, I'm saying Congress is strong.
सर काँग्रेस सगळीच मातशी डळमळीत जाली अशी दिसता तुमकां? काय ना तशें?
I have said in the past, I am repeating today, all this is creation of the media.
Congress strong.
100%.
But opposition leader नेमपाक शकना काँग्रेस. Opposition leader
As soon
काडप.
as he is removed, we will announce the name. What is the big deal?
So speaker आणि मायकल कम्युनल आहा म्हणटा.
No, I am not saying they are combined. Speaker has said that he is preoccupied. We will do it as soon as the session is over.
So you are saying this as a Alex अशें म्हणून
I'm
तुम्ही
saying
उलयता
this
पण
as
आनी
I'm-
ऑप्शन ना काय म्हणून सांगपाची पाळी अशी येता.
Kitako, where is the question of no option?
Because people are looking you as a opposition party, main opposition party, and opposition
We
party.
are 11 of us. So we are the main opposition party. Which other party is there?
आम आदमी पार्टी is there, sir.
What?
आम आदमी पार्टी
Among these two. So can they claim to be the major opposition party?
But BJP also once upon a time only 4. Today they are, sir.
When BJP was 4, there was nobody bigger than BJP.
Okay.
You talk of the year 1994.
Yes.
Then